Welcome to this video where we make learning English easy, exciting, and totally practical. Trust me, this is not your typical boring language lesson. In just 5 minutes, you're going to learn some super useful English tips you can actually use. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with something simple. Words you can use every single day. Think about your mornings. You wake up, maybe you're still sleepy, and what's the first thing you think about? Coffee. Say it with me, coffee. Now, use it in a sentence. I need coffee to wake up. Perfect. Okay, what about breakfast? It's the first meal of the day. Say, I had eggs for breakfast. Or, breakfast is my favorite meal. Now pause for a second. Look around you. Find one thing near you and think of its name in English. Maybe it's your phone or your water bottle. Got it. Now make a sentence about it. For example, my phone is charging, or this water bottle is heavy. Simple, right? Take a moment to try that. Pause for 5 seconds. Soft background music. Next up, phrases. These are going to make you sound natural in conversations. Imagine meeting someone new. Instead of just saying hi, try, hey, how's it going? It's casual, friendly, and makes you sound like a pro. Now let's say you're at a cafe and you need help. What do you say? Easy. Excuse me, can you help me? Say it with me. Excuse me, can you help me? Here's a fun one. Imagine someone asks how you're doing, and you don't just want to say I'm fine. Try, I'm doing great, thanks. Or if you're tired, you can say, I've had a long day. These little phrases make you sound so much more natural. Try practicing these in front of a mirror. Go ahead, I won't judge. Pause for 3 to 5 seconds, upbeat tone. Alright, now let's tackle pronunciation. This is where it gets fun. Let's start with the word comfortable. A lot of people say comfortable, but the correct way is comfortable. Say it slowly. Comfortable. Got it. Awesome. Next word, February. Most people skip the R, so it sounds like February. Let's break it down. February. Try it a couple of times. One more, schedule. In American English, it's schedule. And in British English, it's schedule. Pick whichever feels right for you and practice. These little tweaks will make a big difference. Pause for 5 seconds with a smile. Now, here's a secret tip to learn English faster. Use it every single day. Listen to songs in English and sing along, even if you don't get all the words right. Watching movies. Turn on the subtitles and follow how the actors say things. It's like getting a free pronunciation lesson. Here's another idea, talk to yourself. Yes, you heard me. If you're making tea, say, I'm making tea. If you're heading out, say, I'm going to the store. Talking to yourself might feel weird at first, but it works like magic. Trust me, no one's watching. And even if they are, who cares? You're learning. And here's the last thing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, it's part of learning. The more you try, the more you grow. So speak, write, listen, and just keep going. You're already doing great just by being here. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know your favorite word or phrase from this video in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to improve your English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.